If your Chevrolet Silverado has the 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, reaching 400,000 miles may be far more difficult than most owners expect. And the newer 2.7-liter turbocharged Silverado engine has a completely different durability challenge under long-term high-mileage use.
These two engines appear in thousands of Chevrolet Silverado trucks, yet both have mechanical characteristics that can prevent extreme 400,000-mile longevity. Many owners only discover these durability limitations after 150 or 200,000 miles, when expensive internal wear begins appearing.
Some Chevrolet Silverado owners strongly disagree with this assessment, and that is completely fine. But engine durability data does not change based on brand loyalty or personal opinion. The first engine is the Chevrolet Silverado 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder introduced in 2019. This small displacement turbocharged engine relies on high boost pressure and direct injection to produce truck-level torque. High cylinder pressure combined with constant turbo heat cycles increases internal stress over hundreds of thousands of miles. Historically, small turbocharged truck engines rarely reach 400,000 miles without significant internal overhaul. General Motors designed the 2.7-liter turbo engine primarily for efficiency and torque in lighter duty use. Over extremely high mileage cycles, turbocharged engines experience more heat stress than naturally aspirated truck engines. The second engine is the 5.3-liter V8 used widely in Chevrolet Silverado trucks equipped with active fuel management. Active fuel management disables cylinders to improve fuel economy, but introduces additional lifter components inside the valve train. The active fuel management system uses special hydraulic lifters that deactivate cylinders during light driving. When those AFM lifters wear internally, they can collapse and damage the camshaft over time. Collapsed lifters and camshaft wear have been documented in higher mileage Chevrolet Silverado 5.3 engines. Does every 5.3-liter engine fail early? No. But reaching 400,000 miles without major repair is uncommon. Major lifter and camshaft repairs in a Chevrolet Silverado can exceed $5,000 very quickly. A mechanic in Texas recently showed a 5.3 Silverado with lifter failure at only 120,000 miles. That truck owner originally believed the ticking sound was harmless until the camshaft required replacement. That is why these two Chevrolet Silverado engines rarely become 400,000-mile legends. If you disagree, comment your Chevrolet Silverado engine and current mileage below. Highest mileage 5.3-liter Silverado in the comments wins. In the next breakdown, I will explain which three Chevrolet Silverado engines consistently reach 400,000 miles.